Hey guys, this is Mike. I'm back. Today's September 3rd, 2019, and I'm here to show you a platform where you can earn passively online. And this website is called My Ads Up. I haven't showed you guys this before, so this is my first time showing it to you. The program or the platform has been online for a couple months now. I've joined since then when it first started, but this is my first time showing you guys this opportunity, so you can learn about it, and if you do decide to join and participate, it's a great platform to both advertise and at the same time earn money. So anyways, let's get started, and we'll go through the system. As you can see, I'm on the home page now, and I just want to go give you a brief or a quick overview of how the system works. As you can see on the screen, you can join for free, up to 154% guaranteed earnings, which means basically each ad pack that you purchase, which is $1, you get a return of $1.54. Your 100% is your original purchase, and your 54% is your pretty much your earnings. So your $1 becomes $1.54, or you get back 54 cents. Earn up to $36.30 per click. So basically means that's the maximum you can earn in the system, depending on the group level in. The max or the highest group level will give you $36.30 per click. Each of the web or each of the ads that they view is 10 seconds long. Ad packs, again, it costs $1 each ad pack. Buy multiple ad packs, meaning you can repurchase, and then from there you can compound. So that way you'll get to upgrade to a higher level or a higher group level. There's banner advertising, so if you have any other opportunities that you want to advertise within the system, you can do so. Enter and earn 10% commission on referral spending. So any of your referrals that's purchased within the system, you get 10% commission. Earn 5% commission. Referral earnings means whatever your referral earns, you get 5% of that. So let's go ahead and let's get logged in. I'm now logged back into the system, and this is how the back office looks like. Again, it gives you a tab on how it works, and also gives you the group daily earnings, which gives you a chart of the earnings by group. And this is what I was referring to as far as the group levels. Once you hit the group 13, then you'll be making that $36.30 per click, which you times that to 20, and that's your daily earning for that group level, which is the max. Again, let's go back to the home, and right now, as you can see, I think it's every 5 o'clock what they do is replenish, or I would say replenish or recycle. Not recycle, it's not the correct term for it. Replenish your paid ads, and this is how you would claim your daily earnings. And I'll show you that really quick, and it's simple. What they do is they get it from your bonus ad points here. They deduct it 3,080 VAPs per ad, or per dollars, I guess. That's how it works. Yeah, so what you would do is every day you would log in, and you will see after 5 p.m. Is it 5 p.m.? Yeah, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. You'll see the clicks, paid ad, and all you do is claim your daily earnings here. So in this case, I have 20 to to surf or view the website, and you would just click on that, and it actually indicates here that it's 1700 hours. Between 1700 hours and 1800 hours every day, they'll replenish your ads. In this case, so I'm actually, I was in group 8 because I hit 736. Let me just go back and show you that. So group 8, I was at like roughly 736 plus. So I fell in this group 8. So I would be earning $10.70. And if you calculate that, let me get you my calculator. So you would do $10.70 divided by 20 ads, which is 53 cents. So like I was showing you earlier, when I was surfing my web, surfing the 20 ads, it's indicating that I would be earning 53 cents. That's how you would, calculate that. So all you do is click on view ads. Again, it's 10 seconds per ad, and you would just wait, and then you would confirm your view when there's a button that would show up here, and click on next ad. Then you have 19 left to do. So until this reaches to 0, then you're completely done. Then you would see your earnings reflect in your your balance, which I'll show you. I'll go ahead and pause this video because it's gonna be a while. Alright guys, I'm back. I've completed all my 20 ads, and like I said, I was trying to show you that the 53 cents per ad, once you complete all 20 ads, it'll reflect into your cash wallet and your repurchase wallet. The repurchase wallet is a required it's a wallet where you're required to repurchase pretty much. So it's a way for you to force compound within the system. So that's 20% of your earnings. So let's say if it's like $10, that's about $8 back into the repurchase wallet, so you can repurchase. So I just wanted to show you that you do have this bonus ad, 5 bonus ads, which is, I think it's 50 points that'll be added to you, back to your bonus ad points bucket, or you consider a bucket. But yeah, so what you would do then, if you want to compound within the system or repurchase, is you click on this buy ad pack. But one thing I would tell you is that you need to promote a website here. So you're required to promote a website. In this case, I don't have one right now, but let me just grab one that I can promote. You can promote anything here, so you can promote your YouTube videos if you have any. I don't know, your Facebook group, your Facebook, profile, or anything really. If you want to just, maybe if you have an affiliate with ClickBank, or even I've used my my Facebook. Oh, no, I'm sorry, my Facebook, but it's the Amazon. I'm selling on Amazon, so I want to send external traffic to my Amazon product, so that way I'll get better ranking as far as search listing in Amazon. So that's one way I was able to utilize the advertising services in my ad sub. Or again, if you have any other opportunity that you want to promote, you can do so. But one thing I'm going to promote is this IPTV service that I have, and I want to send more traffic there. and all you have to do is click here, click on how many ads you want to buy. Since I have 8 in my cash wallet, I'm gonna use that all and click buy, and it says right here, congratulations, your ad packs have been purchased successfully. Then I would go back here. Since I have $2 in my Repurchase wallet, I would also do that and then just click buy, and that's what I'm promoting for now. And if you, like I said, just put any URL link in there, it'll take it. And if you want to view your ad packs that you purchased and the URL link, you can actually go back in here and change the link. If, like, let's say you want to promote some other things, you can do that too. So as you can see here, I'm promoting my Amazon product that I'm selling. I do promote hashing ad space for those that are familiar with the hashing ad space. Again, other websites, so you can change the link if you decide to not to promote. If you want to change it, then you can do so here. I'm going back home. As you can see, there's only 53 cents left and 27. So once you repurchase in the system, again, your bonus ad points, you're adding more bonus ad points in here. So one important thing that I want to stress is you do not want to miss a day or so, because once they deduct your points and let's say you didn't claim your ads, your paid ads, it's completely gone. You basically wasted all your points. So you want to make sure you claim all your paid ads, or else you'll just lose your points. Then this will decrease, then it'll bump you down to the group level you're in, depending, like if you're where you're at in here. Let's say if you're like hovering like 396, and then let's say you didn't claim your paid ads, and then you lose that, right? So now you have nothing to purchase, then you'll get bumped down to group 6. So yeah, make sure you claim all your paid ads, so that way you get the earnings. And then again, it's up to you if you want to withdraw or continue to move up to a higher group level, which then you'll have higher daily earnings. So it's really simple. You'll get the hang of it. I think it'll probably take you a day or two to get hang of to learn it, and then get hang of it. Really simple system. You can earn from here. I've seen other members where they only put in $20 and now they're up to group, I don't know, group 7, and they're doing well. So you can't really lose with this system if you're only putting very little amount, and then you can decide to build from there. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you my experience. And again, please do not put in that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so I would only put something that maybe you have extra Bitcoin here and there that you want to utilize. If they're just sitting in the wallet not earning, and you're like, okay, well, let's put it here, so let's get my money to work, then I would suggest doing that. But other than that, please do not put anything that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, anyways, that's all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions or any concern, just hit me up on Facebook, I'll leave you my WhatsApp number in there as well, or Skype, wherever, or even YouTube. So just hit me up if you guys have any questions or concern. This is my first video again on my ad sub. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you that since I'm trying out the system, I haven't been promoting or anything, so you can see in my referral commission is 0. So yes, it is possible that you can earn here without referring any one of your friends or family or anyone. My referrals is 0. So I managed to go from group 5 to, I think I was in group 5 to now 8, earning from $2.70 per day to $10.70. So I'm gonna take it as high as maybe 24, and then from there on I'm gonna start withdrawing, so that is a good chunk to actually withdraw, and then from that I'm gonna use that funds to diversify on other online opportunities. That's how I would do it, so you're not putting extra money on other things. So what I do is use this money to, or withdraw some funds here and then put it into another opportunity, like for example CloudToken. This video is for my ad sub. I'm just showing you a strategy that I use in order to earn, online, or diversify to different online programs or platforms. Anyways, again, I want to make this video short. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.